welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing another what I bought at Target this week. I swear I live there. And it's not even for fun stuff anymore. It's always food. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I have right now. The first thing is veggie straws. The kids requested these for snacks for school. Then we have some Go-Go Squeeze apple sauces. Then we have healthy smoked honey ham, some little tomatoes. Okay, next we have strawberries, bananas. We've been going through so many bananas because I've been eating a ton of smoothies, and then the kids have been having them for breakfast as well as Jay. Am I even in focus here? I got some Command damage-free hanging, the Chobani Gimme yogurts. The kids have really been loving those. And then I got more damage-free hanging hooks. I got some almond milk, the Ripple dairy-free milk. I've really been liking this in my tea. It's just so good. It's a little thick in cereal. It's doable. It's not like it tastes weird, it's just thick, but it's really good in tea. And then we got some Boom Chicka Pop. Jay loves that. And then we also got some natural honey smoked turkey breast. And we got some Larabar fruits and greens. I haven't tried these ones, but I figured I'd give them a go. Some tortilla chips or Yummy. And then Lily requested, she apparently one of her friends at school has these and she was very jelly. So it's the Ritz Bits cheese.
This is scrummy.
Are they so scrummy?
Yeah.
Okay. A pineapple.
And we got
and we got zucchini, some sweet potatoes, some avocado, some white onions, red onions.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. We got 2 cucumbers, the English cucumbers. I like these because the skin is thinner than the regular cucumbers. And for some reason I have the tiniest throat in the world and I choke on everything. So when I have cucumber that has really thick skin, it really is horrible.
I have the biggest throat because whenever something gets stuck in my throat, it just goes down. Yeah,
you do have a nice big throat. Then we got the Jack's Special Salsa. This was on sale for $2, you guys. $2. Jay's really been liking this. It's the Bolthouse Farms Salsa Ranch yogurt dressing. He has that in his salads for lunch. And he says that it's nice. I haven't tried it. This is the Jack's, oh, another salsa. This is the cilantro avocado from Bolthouse. We haven't tried this one yet, so I figured I'd get that one. And he could try it out. No, not that bag, Chicky Baby. But next. Okay, we got more cheese. The Cabot Seriously Sharp. We got some raspberries. Cheese, bobies, banana fana fofies. And then we got 3 of these. They were 3 for $5. And they're the Uncle Ben's Ready Rice Basmati. Okay, we got some white mushrooms for Jay. Ground turkey. Oops. Ah! Holy moly, that was close. Some turkey patties. Let me just put all this away first. Lil, watch out, Chicky babes. You want channel Report cards. Are they good? Or are you naughty?
I don't know if they're good or not.
Have you been good little chickens?
I hope.
Or have you been naughty little chickens? I'm sure you've been good. You do your homework.
Look.
I don't know how to read this. Aha, you're satisfactory. That means you're good.
Yeah.
Oh, you got satisfactories in all of them.
Yeah, can I get my back?
Okay, don't lose those. Because those are important. Okay, we got pistachios, cuties, Larabar, goldfish, hearty chicken and rotini, some little macadamia nuts, more soup, lettuce, green leaf lettuce. We got 2 of those. These are really great in salads. And we got some spinach for smoothies, some sugar snap peas, and last but not least, the rice. So that is everything that we got this grocery shop. I hope you guys like what we got.
Yay!
Let us know if there's anything we must try that's delish. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.